Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 24 June 2018, 17 of hour, 46 of minute and 15 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is the national bird of Nicaragua? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is the national bird of Nicaragua. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what is the national bird of Nicaragua. Nicaragua's national bird is the motmot. This brightly colored bird can be easily recognized by its long, light blue tail. Motmots eat mostly insects, and they, oddly, dig a hole to lay their eggs. They can be seen in forests throughout Nicaragua, mostly in the southwest of the country. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.